is Roland Garcia. I'm CEO and founder of Original Impressions. We're located in South Florida, as south as you can get. We're probably the largest commercial printing operation, marketing communications company in South Florida. Our production site consists of about 90,000 square feet, and we have 192 employees. Original Impressions has several capabilities that make us a marketing communications company. We start with creative, we proceed to print, mailing, distribution, fulfillment, supply management, signage, website development, and giveaways. The reason that we're probably the strongest printer in South Florida is because we represent every platform of printing requirement. Original Impressions has been in the variable data business for quite some time, but we needed something that puts us at a different level, that is able to produce massive quantities and still variable and at a price that is competitive in the marketplace.
My name is Henry, Original Impressions Vice President of Operations. We realized that we needed to do some research on a new technology which was inkjet. Main goal is the ability to provide quality product at a very quick turnaround time and be able to keep the cost of the final printed output acceptable in quality and in cost. Original Impressions' expectations was to be able to go into inkjet this year.
Well, with the screen press, web press, digital press, we feel that we're going to be able to do a heck of a lot more productivity. Do quantities that we cannot currently do at a competitive price currently, and we feel that we're going to be able to deliver overnight a lot of the products and services that our customers want us to come through with.
Basically, it is a growth pattern for Original Impressions to go into new markets.
With the high speed that the screen digital web brings to us, we're going to be able to do a lot of personalized booklets for the healthcare industry, for the cruise line industry, for the automotive industry, for pharmaceutical, where we can actually have no inventories and deal totally on demand. So we're very excited about offering those capabilities to our clients.
The EQUOS workflow has allowed us to go from our current situation, which is basically 2 servers ripping to a couple of black and white toner-based devices, to 14 servers serving up to a device that can print 18,000 totally variable in color images. Once we are able to do that, we basically eliminated weeks of production time. It is amazing that we can actually go back to our customers with this solution. We are changing the way you're approaching a print buyer.
Part of the justification for obtaining the screen press is we feel it will reduce our labor considerably.
And we build extensive charts based on everything from cost, service, even business models. Probably the biggest factors for Original Impression was the service portion of it and not having a click charge. The screen Truepress has no click charges at all. One of the biggest factors of going with the screen model was the inkjet heads. The ability to have an inkjet head that lasts 2 years as opposed to some competitors which we would be changing heads just about every day at our current volume made a big difference in the evaluation process. From a cost analysis point of view to the customer was huge. The changing of the heads or having that amount of labor going to maintenance was a major reason for going with the screen model. We are a commercial print shop. We have to be able to produce whatever the customer wants on whatever substrates. Now we have a list of about 190 different substrates which allow us to basically choose. The ability now for this device and the technology based on this model has allowed us not only to use those 190, but we have already tested 4 different stocks that have worked perfectly. We believe that even some of the coded stocks are going to work just fine. One of the deciding factors on going with screen was also the delivery, installation, and training. They were the only ones that had the capability to have a piece of equipment installed and ready within the time that we needed it, which was basically 6 weeks. So they committed to it and have delivered exactly what they said they were going to do ahead of schedule.
We feel that the screen is the best choice for us in terms of fulfilling our objectives.
So far it's done everything we expected it to do. I know that their equipment is going to work day in, day out.